Tonight, Grandpa and I are having a cup of hot milk and butter. This drink is what my grandmother and mother gave me many times when I could not fall asleep. The two ingredients are 2 pats of butter and 3 cups of milk. To prepare this drink, I'm putting 3 cups of milk into a medium saucepan under medium heat. And now we'll stir it a little. This will have to cook until it comes to almost a boil. This drink is made with whole milk only because years ago that's all everybody would drink. There was no skim milk, low-fat milk. There was only whole milk. The milk has been cooking for about 10 minutes now and it's almost to the point where it's ready. You still have to wait till it's really hot because you really want hot milk. Almost to the boiling point. The milk is thoroughly heated and ready to be put in the cups. Now I'm pouring the milk in the cups. Now we're ready to put the pat of butter in our cups. So it'll melt nice. Now it's melting in the hot milk. What do you think, Grandpa? Nice?
Nice. Give it a little stir. Stir it up.
Yeah, till it melts. You have to make sure that the butter melts completely in the milk. See? Nice.
Hot and warm. Taste the creamy butter.
Delicious.
Now I can get a good night's sleep.
Yeah, you sure can. And these are our favorite mugs that we got from our friend Janet. We just love these mugs with the cats on them, right? We just love these mugs with the cats on them. This is so delicious. And years ago, don't forget, Grandpa, nobody took sleeping pills or any kind of medicine. So this was one of their home remedies. That if you wanted to relax, you couldn't sleep, you'd make yourself a cup of hot milk and butter just before bedtime. Delicious. You could taste the nice buttery milk, right?
Yep.
I think I'm starting to get sleepy, Grandpa.
Good.
I think it's about time that we get ready for bed. Good night, everybody. Thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone. This is Grandma here. And I thought as I have my cup of tea this morning, I would let you know what happened last night after Grandpa and I had our hot milk and butter. We went to bed and our heads touched the pillow and we were out like a light and we didn't wake up at all during the night until the morning hours. So the remedy of having hot milk and butter really, really works. So if anybody has to get a good night's sleep, that's what you have to take before you go to bed.